Hey there, YouTube, this is Ralph Carpus 92. Today, actually a couple days ago, my grandfather gave me a APC battery backup. Those things that you plug your computer and stuff into. It's got a big inverter inside, so when the power goes out, or whenever your main source of power, for whatever reason, stops working, this thing kicks on and keeps your computer going. This one's from 1996, so I took it apart and the date was stamped on the board inside. I took the board, the inverter board out of it, and a bunch of other stuff. And these are the batteries out of it. They are Panasonic something rattling around in there. Panasonic 12 volt 17 amp hour batteries. They are totally crap. They've been sitting under my grandfather's computer desk for probably 15 plus years, he told me. So the batteries are crap. You can see there's a lot of lead plates up there that I haven't taken paper yet. Material they use. And that's the remnants of the other battery that I tore apart and cut the top of it off with my saw all. Yes, I'm wearing safety glasses and I wore gloves. I thought I would make it taking these apart. So I'm just gonna get my gloves on if I can find them. And just to prove that there's nothing in these, or like very little. The other one was totally dry. One of these I tried putting distilled water in to see if I can bring it back to life, but it ended up just leaking out because the cells are all cracked on the back. You can see they're all screwed up, how it's kind of like towers. Yeah, it's messed up. I took all the caps off. So right now, if this was a good battery, there'd be fluid coming out of there. Nope, she's dry. So I'm going to put it on the vise and just cut the top right off. What I'm going to do with those lead plates and get the papery stuff off, I'm going to get them out of this battery too. I'm just going to, just for fun, I'm just going to melt it down and maybe make some castings out of it for fun. Oh, stepping on the other battery. Or what's left of it anyway. Yeah, you can tell it's pretty dry in there. But, yeah, that's the inside of the battery. I'll bring it up to the camera. I'm not going to do much out on it. Oh, hey. The fun part of this is I gotta smash the battery on the side of the vise to break the cells apart. But you'll see, separated by plastic, you know, there, and so on. You'll see these cells. Each cell is 2 volts, and there's 6 of them in there. So what's 2 times 6? 12. It's a 12 volt battery. So what I do to get these apart, just bash on the side of them a lot and they'll break eventually. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. I might just cut it in half. Oh, stuff's falling over. Actually, there's a brake mark right there. I might just get a screwdriver and a hammer and break it. That's if I can open the toolbox. Oh, geez, I haven't heard this in a while. Look at that. There's a lead plate right there. And then, whatever mysterious material that is. Let me fix this door, hold on. Not exactly sure what that crap is in there, all that brown stuff. But it's like really soft. Kind of weird. How clean that is. Maybe that's in the right view. Look at this. I got a 6-volt battery. Ouch. Making such a mess. Oh, there goes a plate in whatever this brown material is. We got 4 more cells to go. Look at that. Pull them right out. Or not. Oh, this is the one I tried to revive because there's like rusty water in there. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, the next one came out too. Well, that makes things a little easier. Look, I got a 2-volt battery. Oh, this is a wonderful song. I'm gonna go change that. Something smells like fish out here too. Wow. Oh. Uh-oh. My grandfather's back. Hopefully he doesn't yell at me a lot. It's so weird, all this brown stuff. Oh, that lead plate broke in half. What? Didn't even question me. Good deal. Someone in the comments tell me what this brown material is. Let me get a handful somewhere. All this weird stuff. I don't know what that is. It's all brittle though, I can just crush it in my hands. No more cells. Oh, I dented one. That's just, that whole thing is that weird brown stuff. It's just, it looks like chocolate almost. It's all brittle and weird. This is the last cell. And I got a big mess to clean up. There we go. Got a bunch of lead now. And I got a huge mess to clean up. Pretty weird. Look at all that crap. All the papers. And that's the stack of lead plates that I get to melt down into a can. For my own entertainment. On the wire wheel they go.